Hello and welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about ways to get a little more energy for us mamas. I mentioned the wild remedies. I am a little bit hooked on the cocoa and black pepper and chaga. And you can see the link for them in my mom must-haves below. Another one that I love, and of course there's the ways that we can build up energy in ourselves, and I'll get to that in a moment. But another one of my favorites is the Zazu Bean Flirt Bar. It's also 50% of your iron, which is not bad. My mom and I have actually been using this as our iron supplement for years now. And dark chocolate, as you know, probably has a large amount of magnesium in it, which is really important for nourishing our nervous system. So if you have children who are highly sensitive, of course, talk to your doctor or naturopath first, but magnesium can be a really important one to help them just nourish their nervous system. And as our naturopath mentioned to us, Sophia was taking inhalers for a little bit for childhood asthma before she actually gave us some other suggestions. And inhalers decrease your magnesium. And Sophia tends to sort of the hyperactive side. No surprise, as Shane and I do too. But so we started giving her more magnesium to help counter that as well. I really like the calm magnesium, but magnesium biglycinate is the one that really helps the nervous system. Anyways, this is really delicious chocolate if you're looking for a lovely afternoon pickup. That's not coffee, which wreaks havoc on your adrenals and nervous system. Some other great ways that we can just nourish our energy is, of course, going for a walk, going for a run, being active. You can come into a little flow, have a dance party that also releases energy in a positive way. And we can do prana mudra. So connecting our ring and pinky fingers with our thumbs and have our index and pointer up. And we can also do some breath work to help us increase our energy. So something like a breath of fire is really powerful in helping to clear energy and build up more energy. So I wouldn't recommend doing this if you are pregnant, have high or low blood pressure, or have just eaten, definitely wait a bit. But if you'd like to come into a comfortable seat, and this one also is not for children under 10. So this is for us mamas who need a little more energy. So if you'd like to come into a comfortable seat, you're welcome to have your eyes open or closed. And as we always do, just taking note of your body and breath. So taking a moment to connect with your body. Maybe connecting with the points of your body on the earth. Noticing how they feel. Noticing how the earth feels. Does it feel warm or cool, hard or soft? Letting your breath flow naturally. And as you ground your energy by connecting to the earth, maybe visualizing roots extending from your root chakra into the earth, lengthening through your crown, the top of your head, creating a little more space for breath. I'd like you to notice where your head rests over your shoulders over your hips. Trying to come into a nice tall line, almost as if there's a little strain from the crown, the top of your head, pulling you upwards and softening through the jaw, neck, and shoulders, all the way down to your fingertips. We're going to take a nice deep inhale, and then we're going to pump our belly button into our spine. Doing this as many times, exhaling through the nose until we need to take another deep inhale. if you feel dizzy at any point, just stop. You can bring your head down to the floor and just resting, coming back to a normal, steady inhale. And if you feel so inclined, you can continue with this breath, or else you can just return to your natural breath. Noticing your body, noticing your connection to the earth. And maybe closing with an Om. Om. Dhanyavad, which means thank you in Sanskrit. Thank you for joining me. If you would like to subscribe to see more, definitely do that. Leave any comments, questions below, and I look forward to you joining us next time.